Well, ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about everything ICP, the ecosystem, the news, the charts, NFTs. Really, it's a crazy show. We'll dive right into this. Bitcoin Renegade tweeted ICP is ranked number 28 on Coinbase, which is 10 spots higher than what we're seeing on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. And we'll look at this towards the end of the video. But ICP has just kind of been hovering in this rank number 36, 37, 38 kind of place. So this is very interesting. I do think more people are bullish on ICP than people realize. Dominic Williams, it's not just Web3 that needs to run 100% on unhackable, unstoppable world computer blockchain. It's also enterprise, folks. And he's going on to mention this article, cyber attacks set to become uninsurable, says Zurich chief. The chief executive, one of Europe's biggest insurance company, has warned that cyber attacks rather than natural catastrophes will become uninsurable as the disruption from hacks continue to grow. So really, folks, could something like this be a major catalyst for companies to move over to the blockchain technology? It's going to be a hell of a lot cheaper for Apple, let's say, or whatever, name your favorite big tech company, to adopt chains like Internet Computer rather than to build out their own clunky mess. Folks, we just don't know. So I do think that there is something to this, folks. We did get a tweet out of Emilio, and I thought that this was very cool to see. It's important to acknowledge this, to understand crypto. Really, the population who regularly makes crypto transactions in the region of 900 million people. India. Look at India, folks. 29%. That just blows my mind. India is going to be such a huge player in this space. They already are, but even more so as, the years go by. China, 8%. I was kind of shocked by that. But I do know that their government is really stingy on crypto and stuff like that. It's just kind of crazy. 16% of the United States. Man, I'm not that bullish on the people here in the United States using crypto. In fact, over the holidays, of course, people were asking me. They were saying, "Oh, Mr. Crypto Guy, how's things going?" I said, "It's going damn good. We're about ready to go into the bull market. You should buy some and thank me next holiday season." It's freaking madness. So UK, 11%. Really, folks, we're not early into crypto right now, but we're not late, right? The people that got in early were buying Bitcoin at like $5. It's just crazy. But it was a great little post by Emilio. So shout out to him. I am struggling with Coin Commit. Really, I am, folks. They haven't dropped an update since December 10th. This is really kind of making me sad. But we have the IC stats to come in clutch for us, really, with all these great metrics. This is the daily report, 26th to 27th. We had 538 new internet identities, 278 new neurons. We have, this canister state, almost 4.5 gigs a day. This canister state, it's just growing. It's almost to 3 terabytes. Another 200 smart contracts deployed in the last 24 hours. Wow. Of course, we're chilling well over 1.5 billion blocks. And I remember when this turned over 1 billion blocks. It was so cool. We're seeing cycles burned, really continuing on this upward trend. People are actually using the technology and the dApps on the IC. I minted 30 WAGMI dystopian BitBoy crypto operation Bahamas Forever NFTs. And folks, I am doing a giveaway here. So I will link this tweet in the description and the pinned comment. If you'd like to join, you're more than welcome. It's got a great amount of views, 61K, very nice. But if you're interested in picking up some of these NFTs, I will link this as well in the description and the pinned comment. There are some incredible chances to win a trip on a cruise with BitBoy and the whole crew. So this is very cool, and I will link Entrepot, like I said. But all these proceeds from this Operation Bahamas Forever charity NFT drive is going to really help fund the lawsuit, the hundreds of thousands of dollars it's going to cost to fund this lawsuit in the Bahamas, so that hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars worth of FTX and user funds, I should say user funds on the FTX exchange, don't go lost or missing in the real estate that they had bought up with it. It's crazy, folks. So hopefully that can be recovered for the people of FTX. It's just nuts. But look for this. I'd love for everyone to join. Like I was saying, ICP is about rank number 38. We're kind of seeing it really tangle with Filecoin, Hedera, Terra Luna. Ick. Let's look at the markets here. We're seeing the markets kind of bleeding out a little bit. Luna is on the pump, but let's check out ICP and what exactly is going on here. We've had quite the nice little rally here, and I do think that this is at a make or break point, really. If we just throw up a GAN fan here, bear with me while I just measure this out. We want a 45-degree angle. And we'll throw up the GAN fan here. And we'll also do maybe a little inside pitchfork or something like that to boot. But you guys can see that price is really obeying this fan quite nicely. Price couldn't hold above this level here. We saw it drop down, come back up. It supported along this level here, drop back down, pop back up to this level here. We're seeing it really obey these trend lines quite nicely. So I do think that there could be this chance that we see this price action maybe move out to like this $4 region over the next month, somewhere in there. But if we look at ICP on a super technical level here, the 1 hour chart, and I was really surprised to see this. I thought really we were going to be seeing some sort of a rising wedge form here. Rising wedge is pretty bearish, and really when we see this upward consolidation like this, usually we see the bottom drop out. But instead we have seen the price pump, and we've seen this falling or this rising wedge break down. And now we are seeing maybe like a double top above this upper trend line. So unfortunately, I don't know. This is really kind of like a manipulation move here, in my own opinion. Very interesting to say the least. I'm really going to be watching to see if price sticks around this 3.73 level. But if we get a rebound, I think this $4 level is, possibly going to be where we land. We'll see you guys all on the next video.